Hey, this is the Ascrono cable carrier tray. This is the large size. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to install it here on the bottom of my standing desk. This is again a large size, and one thing I don't see a whole lot is this is going to be showing you how to drill into the bottom of your desk. So if you don't have the possibility, like I have a built-in monitor stand on here that's quite thick, I can't use the clamp that's included. So if you do have a thin enough desk, you can easily just clamp this on, but I'm gonna go with the drill method and I'll show you a step-by-step process for doing just that. So here we go. Okay, so just for a little bit of an unboxing, here we've got some zip ties we're gonna remove. All right, so this is the main compartment, and as you can see, it's quite large. It's going to definitely reach in between my standing desk legs. I believe that my desk in its entirety is about 4 foot wide, but you do have to account for the standing legs being there. So this will fit just inside, just like this. Here's some pieces they're calling the metal bars. Here's our instruction manual that we can make use of as we're going. First thing it wants us to do is to take the screws that are in here and connect all these metal bars together. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so you have these little screws that go on the end pieces there, and then you can join 2 metal bars together. And I imagine we'll put 2 of these together at a time. Okay, so just to be clear, there are 6 silver bars that come, and so in step number 1, you should have 1, 2, 3 metal bars joined together, and then you have the top and bottom. So the 3 metal bars on top have been slid all the way through. There's a little track guiding you along the way. And then we've got these 2 tabs, which they wanted me to install right here at the bottom. So there's a little gap. You'll slide the sticks through, and then here. So we are now at the end of step 2. We need to move on to step 3. Which says to screw on the end caps. So these are going to make sure that the metal bars aren't coming out of the canvas material. So the end caps, looks like they are B3. No, it says A3. Okay, A3 is what we're looking for. It's like they're going to be a little bit small. All right, here are the A3 pieces. They're really small. I'm just going to screw these into the end of the bars so that they don't slide out at any point. Again, you should have 4 of them. All right, so we got the bars installed on the canvas here. We've got the end caps placed. We've got the little pull tabs also, which will be useful later. Move on to step number 4. All right, step number 4, this is where we have the option to use the mounting bracket, which we can clamp onto the desk if we need to. The clamp is going to be very much this piece right here. So with this piece, it's going to go, this is on the top of your desk, and this will hang off the side. Now, my desk is too thick this way, so I'm going to have to go with the screw-in option, but if you're going with the clamp, this is what will be visible on the top of your desk, and then it'll hang underneath. For the screw-in option, looks like we need to use this piece here. I've got 2 of them, so this is going to be where I bolt it to the bottom of the desk. Looks like we've got 4 screws. Those 4 screws are going to go here. So you see the smaller holes. That is where our 4 screws are going to go into the bottom of the desk like this. So just to move this out of the way temporarily, I wonder if there's any, yeah, so these are going to hook. You can see the hook there. Those metal bars are going to clasp just like this. They'll snap in place there. So we need to have one about there. And then the other one we can go ahead and put in place right here. So obviously I want to measure these out, but I want the middle tab to be lined up where I've got the hole in the desk. So this is where the cables can run through to my monitor and what have you. So I know that this is the middle of my desk. I'm going to line up this tab here. So that gives me a point of reference. Other than that, I think I can pretty much just eyeball them about an inch, half an inch off of the edge. I'm gonna go ahead and screw these in. Make them as straight as you want to, but again, this is not meant to be visible whatsoever, so it's not gonna be, I'm not gonna be super picky about it being exactly straight, but I do need to get the screws in order to put them in, which is B1. All right, so here is my pack of screws labeled B1. I'm gonna open this up. These are very small. You should have 8 of them in total, so very small screws there. I don't think I will pre-drill. I'll just go ahead and drill these in with my screwdriver. They're very, very small. I don't think it'll take that much whatsoever. Okay. Got one screw in that kind of gives me something to pivot off of, so I can go ahead and get the other one started as well. Like I said, this is not like a real wood desk, so it's very easy to drill into. If you do have a real wood desk, you may want to pre-drill your holes. Okay, so with just one screw in each, that pretty much puts them in place. I'm just going to finish putting in the other 5 screws so it's more rigid. Secure cables and devices with Velcro. So this will be the part where you have all the fun. You can take your power blocks or what have you, stuff them inside the canvas. I won't do this for the video's sake, but just imagine you've got all your power banks and your Thunderbolt cables and what have you on the inside. Last thing we want to do besides securing the cables with Velcro is lift the bar, hook into the mounting bracket. Okay, so you lift these pieces. Quick note or you'll make a mistake. These 2 tabs, there is a thicker one on one side and a thinner one on the other. You want the thin piece to be on the outside. That way when we move our tabs in place, they'll be able to hook in nicely. So I need to flip this one around. Much better. So now we can see this is in place. Now I'm going to flip the desk over. We'll take a look at it when it is in position. All right, so here is the desk we've been looking on. As you can see, this is what I was talking about, the thickness. It's just too thick for me to use the clamps. So I can go around here and access from the back, push this up, and all my cables and things can come out from the back. So again, just to hook it on, get them hooked in place, and they are good to go. And if I turn the desk around, as you can see, even from this like undershot, you can see it's very clean underneath, got a nice line there from the top. All the cables are hidden. Very nice.